You want to make money online? Great, everyone's doing it. But how do you stand out in a crowded market? The answer is simpler than you think. Shopify is your golden ticket. It's not just a platform, it's a complete ecosystem designed to help you succeed. It's a platform where you create your own online store. No tech skills needed. You can choose from a variety of templates and customize them to fit your brand. Shopify makes it super easy. The user-friendly interface guides you through every step, from setting up your store to managing your inventory. Think of a product you love. Maybe it's handmade jewelry or cool phone cases. The possibilities are endless. You can turn your passion into a profitable business. With Shopify, you can sell it to the world. The platform supports multiple currencies and languages, making it easier to reach a global audience. You control your brand, your prices, everything. You have the freedom to set your own rules and create a unique shopping experience for your customers. It's like having your own shop, but without the crazy rent. No more worrying about overhead costs or location constraints. Plus, you reach customers everywhere. Your store is open 24/7, allowing you to make sales even while you sleep. No more waiting for foot traffic. Your online store is always accessible, and you can attract customers from all over the world. Shopify brings the customers to you. With built-in SEO features and marketing tools, you can drive traffic to your store and increase sales. Ready to be your own boss? Let's do this. Start your journey with Shopify today and turn your dreams into reality. First things first, build your store. This is the foundation of your online business, and it all starts here. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Shopify makes the process smooth and straightforward. Shopify has tons of templates. Whether you want something sleek and modern or fun and quirky, there's a template for you. Pick one that fits your style. Add your products. It's as simple as dragging and dropping. Make them look amazing with high-quality pictures. Good visuals can make a huge difference in attracting customers. Write clear descriptions that make people want to buy. Highlight the benefits and features of your products. Next, set up payment. Shopify integrates with all the big players like PayPal and Stripe. Easy peasy. This ensures your customers have a seamless checkout experience. Last step, choose your domain name. This is crucial as it represents your brand online. This is your online address. Make sure it's easy to remember and reflects your business. Make it catchy and memorable. A good domain name can help you stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Boom! Your store is live. Now you're ready to start selling and reaching customers all over the world. Congratulations! What are you passionate about? Gaming, fitness, pet fashion? That's your niche. Sell what you love. Think about what problems people have. Can you solve them with your products? That's a winning formula. Do your research. See what's trending. Use tools like Google Trends. Find a niche that's not too crowded but has potential. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just put your unique spin on it. Section 4, Sourcing Products, from dropshipping to direct deals. Time to get your inventory. Dropshipping is a great option for beginners. You sell products from a supplier. They handle the shipping. You focus on marketing. Want more control? Find manufacturers or wholesalers. Negotiate the best prices. Think outside the box. Can you make your own products? Handmade goods are super hot right now. Whatever you choose, make sure your products are high quality. Happy customers mean repeat business. Section 5, Marketing Magic, getting the word out. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. You built an awesome store. It's visually appealing, user-friendly, and stocked with great products. Now tell the world about it. Share your passion and excitement with everyone. Social media is your best friend. It's a powerful tool to connect with your audience. Use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the works. Post engaging content regularly. Run contests and giveaways to create buzz. Collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience. Don't forget email marketing. It's still one of the most effective ways to communicate with your customers. Collect emails and send out newsletters. Keep your audience informed about new products, special offers, and updates. Keep your customers in the loop. SEO is key. Optimize your website to rank higher in search results. Use the right keywords in your product descriptions and website content. Get found on Google. This will drive organic traffic to your store and increase your visibility. Section 6, Take action. Your Shopify journey starts now. What are you waiting for? Shopify makes it crazy easy to start your own online business. No more excuses. Find your passion, build your store, market like a beast. You can do this. Don't be afraid to fail, it's part of the process. Learn from your mistakes and keep pushing forward. The world of e-commerce is waiting for you. Go crush it.